Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're gonna unbox my Pigeon stainless steel idli making cooker. I bought this from Flipkart. Now I'm gonna unbox it. And guys, here goes my product. You'll get with a visual, and in the box it is mentioned as you'll get this for 1300 rupees, but I got this from Flipkart for only 684 bucks. And guys, this idli cooker is weighing the weight about 600 grams. Here goes my product. Guys, here you'll get 4 plates where you can make 16 idlis. And here the handle is separated where you need to fix it off both the handling side where the net is given. As such. Guys, now I'm gonna review about these plates. Guys, these Pigeon stainless steel plates, it's suitable for both induction and standard idli making. You can use this for induction and you can also use this for making over the gas. And guys, in this cooker you can make idli, momos, kadbu and etc. You can see the size of mold. Guys, here also you need to fix it off with the stands vertically, which is separated. And guys, here the visual is fixed to the cooker. You can't remove the visual. And let me tell you the cooking procedure over the gas. For gas, you need to cook it off for 12 to 15 minutes by applying some grease over the mold. If you want to cook it from induction stove, you just need to fix the time for only 10 minutes. That's it. It will be cooked properly. Guys, quality wise it is so good, and below 1000 rupees it is worth of buying this. If you want to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you so much.